I recently tried out the 1080p Infrared Night Vision Monocular, and it has been a fantastic addition to my outdoor gear. This monocular is packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone interested in nighttime exploration. The first thing that stands out is the Wi-Fi connectivity. It allows you to connect to a larger phone screen and control the monocular remotely, which is incredibly convenient for observing wildlife without scaring them away. The monocular features 7 levels of IR adjustment, which means you get clear visibility even in complete darkness. Whether you're using it during the day or at night, the image quality is consistently impressive. The 2-inch TFT screen is another great feature, making it easy to navigate through the 3 modes: photo, video, and playback. The included 32GB memory card is a nice touch, giving you plenty of space to store your captures. Battery life is usually a concern with outdoor gear, but this monocular has a built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, which lasts a long time. It can even be recharged with a power bank or car charger, so you don't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of your adventure. One minor downside is that it did freeze up on me, but I was easily able to reset it with the reset switch. Overall, this night vision monocular is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities at night. It combines great functionality with ease of use, making it a reliable tool for both amateur and experienced users.